Today, we are making Apupa, an ancient Vedic sweet pancake made with wheat flour, ghee, and jaggery. Simple, traditional, and full of old Indian flavor. Apupa, Vedic sweet pancake ingredients: wheat flour, 1 cup; jaggery, 1/2 cup; water, 1/2 cup; ghee, 2 to 3 tablespoons; cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon; fennel seeds, 1/2 teaspoon; milk, 2 to 3 tablespoons; sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon. Step 1. Prepare jaggery water. Add jaggery and water to a pan. Heat until the jaggery melts completely. Strain it to remove impurities. Step 2. Make the batter. In a bowl, add wheat flour, cardamom powder, fennel seeds, and sesame seeds. Slowly pour the jaggery water and mix well. Step 3. Adjust consistency. Make a thick, smooth batter. Add a little milk if needed. The batter should be thicker than dosa batter, but thinner than dough. Step 4. Rest the batter. Cover and rest the batter for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps the flavors blend nicely. Step 5. Heat the pan. Heat a tawa or pan on medium flame. Add a little ghee and spread it evenly. Step 6. Pour the batter. Pour 1 ladle of batter on the pan and gently spread it into a small pancake shape. Step 7. Cook one side. Cook on low to medium flame until the bottom becomes golden brown. Step 8. Flip and cook. Flip carefully and add a little more ghee around the edges. Cook the other side until golden and slightly crisp. Step 9. Serve hot. Remove from the pan and serve warm. You can add extra ghee on top for a richer taste. Your traditional Apupa is ready, a sweet Vedic-style pancake that brings the taste of ancient India to your kitchen.